Hello folks, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have the 3-piece elastic trunk and saddlebag storage nets for the Can-Am Spyder RT. If you're looking to keep your Can-Am Spyder RT saddlebags and top trunk case nice and tidy, this mod may be for you. Actually no, this mod is definitely for you. We partnered up with our friends over at Hopnel to bring you this 3-piece elastic storage net set for the Can-Am Spyder RT. These elastic storage nets allow you to quickly and easily utilize the lid section on both your saddlebags and trunk to hold your items in place, maximizing storage space. The nets feature a durable replacement nylon clip that mount in place utilizing existing screws, as well as easy to access S-hooks to hold that precious cargo in place. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process.
Start by opening your side door and unscrewing the corner screws on the inner side of the lid. Add the plastic mounting clip to the screw, and then tighten it back down into place, making sure the loop for the S-hook is pointing toward the center of the lid. And when you get to the screw with the safety tether, you may want to rest the door on your knee so that it doesn't fall all the way down. Then simply repeat those steps for the other two corners. Once those are all tightened down, you can now attach one of the storage nets to the mounting clips you just installed. Repeat the same process for the other storage net on the other side, remembering to rest the door on your leg when attaching the clip to the screw with the tether. When you're ready to install the net on the trunk door, you'll only need to attach the clips to the screws in the four corners.
Now this 3-piece elastic storage net set seems like something you'd want on your Spyder RT. Be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.